So in this video we are going to see how we can able to create the variables, and how we can able to use the variables and to store the data and etc. So first of all, in the C sharp we have like primitive data types like integer and string and double and float and all. So for example, we are taking the integer variables here. To declare the variable we need to instantiate with the data type first, and then we need to give a name for that. For example, I am giving my number as this variable name, and I am giving certain number some kind of number I am giving. And then if you want to create a variable with the string data type, I need to create like this. So I need to give the data type, and then I need to give my text, like whatever the name I can able to give, that will be stores my my data. So my text will be that's all. So we can able to print this one by passing into console.writeLine method. So I'm going to give my number, and then I'm going to give my text as well. So like this we can able to print and store. Like once we declare the variable, we can able to store the data into that variable, and then we can able to print that variable data in the console.writeLine method. So once we click on this, we can able to see this 450 and observable. Also we can able to concatenate that with the in a single console.writeLine. We can able to print that with this concatenation method, that is this one. And sorry, my number, and then my text, and then we can able to print this one. Once we click on this hello world option, the project name, we can able to print on the console application. So like this we can able to create the variable and store the data, and then we can able to print the data into the console. That's all for this video. Thank you.